Hello viewers, welcome to the Roadside Realities channel. Today, we'll be discussing the consequences of reckless driving in school zones. This is crucial for the safety of our children. Let's begin. A rear-end collision caused the car to lose control and crash into the roadside barrier. It seems the white car veered too far into the lane. It was truly a horrific accident. After colliding with the car, the container truck lost control, veered off the road, and overturned. The car tried to brake and lost balance, causing it to overturn. The power line suddenly short-circuited and caught fire, but fortunately, nothing serious happened. The driver of the car probably had no idea about the collision that happened behind. Drivers should pay attention to the road, as obstacles can appear at any time. The driver could only focus on the front of the car, not the rear. The train crashed straight through the container, truly horrifying. Due to the container driver's carelessness, the car behind had its windshield shattered. Another collision due to not observing while crossing the intersection. Truly hoping the driver is okay and not facing any issues. The train gently pushed the car aside because it was blocking its path. Another overturned vehicle due to not paying attention. It seems after the collision, the car lost control. Drivers should slow down. A car had an issue, pushing several vehicles onto the shoulder. Driving too close in front of the container truck, the car got into an accident. The car was going at quite a high speed, causing the other car to have an accident. The cargo on the truck had issues, causing the truck to lose balance and overturn. The consequence of pressing the accelerator too hard, the car had a severe collision.
The Padres were willing to give more than that. They're willing to give about $400 million for Aaron Judge.
Remember well all the consequences that high speed brings to you.
From the Cubs, Wilson Contreras from the Cardinals.
After a while, the car decided to move into the water lane. The driver seemed too confident.
Is a member of the Conference of Chief Justices, which took the unusual
The clear difference
step
between driving
of
fast and driving slow.
It would be hard to even know exactly what that meant.
A car with brake failure crashed into a parking lot, affecting many other vehicles.
Be turning over their nuclear technology to us. We've been a night.
The car lost control and continuously collided with both sides of the road. The car had engine problems after the collision it caused.
God damn. Oh, shit.
The car was severely damaged, but fortunately, the driver is okay. Trying to avoid a collision, the container truck knocked over a roadside sign. In cases of a car skidding, the driver can hardly do anything. Never run a red light. The car was moving with sparks flying, really dangerous. Another accident due to not paying attention, really scary. Drivers should stay away immediately as you never know when the fire might spread. If you don't speed, there won't be any accidents. Seeing a red light from afar, the driver should brake immediately. It's unclear how long the line of affected cars will be. What do you gain by running a red light? A car was affected by a collision with an underpass. The car tried to overtake quickly and got stuck between two container trucks. Maybe they saw each other but didn't think they would collide. Drivers should pay close attention to their speed while driving.